Welcome to our security camera system showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive systems: the Firstrend 8CH wireless NVR system and the REOLINK 12-megapixel security camera system. The Firstrend system offers a budget-friendly option with 1080p resolution and a plug-and-play setup, making it ideal for homeowners. On the other hand, the REOLINK system boasts a remarkable 12 megapixels resolution and advanced features like smart detection and color night vision, catering to more demanding security needs. Let's dive into the details and see how these two systems stack up against each other. When it comes to video quality, the Firstrend 8CH system offers 108 OPHD resolution, which is suitable for general surveillance. However, it may lack the detail needed for identifying faces or license plates in critical situations. In contrast, the REOLINK 12-megapixel system provides an outstanding 12 megapixels Ultra HD resolution, allowing for exceptional clarity and detail. This high resolution is particularly beneficial for forensic zooming, making it a superior choice for those who prioritize image fidelity. The Firstrend system utilizes wireless technology for video transmission, making installation straightforward and eliminating the need for extensive cabling. However, all cameras must be connected to a power outlet, which can limit true wireless functionality. On the other hand, the REOLINK system employs Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, requiring Ethernet cables for both power and video transmission. While this installation can be more labor-intensive, it provides a stable and reliable connection, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Price is an important factor to consider when choosing a security camera system. The Firstrend 8CH wireless system is priced at $380, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable surveillance solution. In contrast, the REOLINK 12-megapixel system comes with a significantly higher price tag of $1,499. While it offers advanced features and superior image quality, the cost may be a barrier for some users, particularly those who only need basic surveillance capabilities. In conclusion, both the Firstrend 8CH wireless NVR system and the REOLINK 12-megapixel security camera system have their strengths and weaknesses. The Firstrend system is an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable, user-friendly option, while the REOLINK system is ideal for users who require high-resolution video and advanced features. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific security needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.